Let's make these painted daisies. Cut 2 strips of 1 cm by 30 cm paper. From the edge of the paper, measure 1 cm and mark it. From that mark, measure 2 inches and cut the paper. Get a floral wire and bend it at the center. Get the thinner piece of paper and secure them together using a glue. Secure them firmly using a long nose pliers. Roll the paper around the wire. Get the other strip and roll it. Set it aside. Using the thicker paper, start cutting it from the edge towards the mark. Edges of the cut portion. Assemble them all together by rolling the thicker paper around the stem. down the petals. And we're done. Now we have our lovely painted daisies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting, everyone!